was about to close.
We're just in time, Dora. Do you remember where I put the books? Backpack! Right! Click on backpack. Click backpack. Click backpack. Here they are.
Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. They're all here. Thanks, Dora. Would you and your friends like to pick out a book to read?
That would be great. I love picking books.
Each of you will get a turn to pick out a book.
Will you help our friends pick los libros? Great! Muchas gracias. Our friends will be so happy.
What kind of book would you like to read?
I'd like a book about reptiles.
Click on the book that Dora wants to read about.
I don't think I want that book. I'd like a book about reptiles.
Where's the turtle cool?
This is just the book I wanted.
What kind of book would you like to read?
I'd like a book about... Are you sure you want to stop playing? Yes. No. No. Is that around?
Click on the book that Boots wants to read about.
I can't wait to read this book.
What kind of book would you like to read?
I'd like a book about things that are square.
Click on the book that Isa wants to read about.
Where are the squares? Good boy.
Thank you. The book is perfect. No, it's against the tree. Wow, we all have books. Thanks, Val.
You're welcome, Dora.
We couldn't have done it without you. We took back my library books, and we all got new ones. Great books. We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Bellissima, we did
You
it!
gotta sit up.
We crossed the troll's brakes and climbed up the big rock. We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! Turn
What's wrong, Cole?
the library. We did
What's
it.
wrong?
We did it! We did it! We did it!
All done? All done? Do you want to play again? You do? What do you want to play?